In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a SQL query in Retool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to write your SQL, and how to view the results with confidence. First, open Retool and head to the app where you want the query to live. This matters because queries are attached to the app you're currently editing, and that keeps everything organized. Once your app is open, you'll see the canvas in the center and a left panel with your resources, components, and queries. If you're working in a shared workspace, make sure you're in the correct app so your query ends up in the right place. Next, let's create the query. In the left panel, click on Queries. This opens the query sidebar where all the data operations for this app are managed. Click the New button to create a fresh query. Retool will prompt you to select a resource. Choose the SQL database you want to use, such as Postgres or MySQL. If you see multiple options, pick the one that has the tables you need for this app. If nothing appears, your database might not be connected yet, and you may need to ask your workspace admin to add it. While you're here, it's helpful to give your query a clear name so you can find it later, especially if you'll be calling it from components. Now it's time to write your SQL. In the query editor that appears, paste or type your SQL statement. For example, a simple select with a limit is a safe way to preview data without returning too many rows. Retool highlights syntax and will make it easy to spot typos. When you're ready, click Run or use the keyboard shortcut to execute the query. You'll see the results in the Query Results panel below. This is usually a table view, showing rows and columns returned by your database. If there's an error, check the message carefully. It will usually point to a specific part of your SQL or a permission issue. If your query returns a large dataset, consider adding filters or a limit to keep things fast and readable. For write operations like insert or update, double-check your SQL before running, and consider testing on a small sample first. Once you're happy with the results, you can save the query. From here, you can reuse it elsewhere in the app, trigger it with buttons, or reference the returned data. But the core flow is exactly what we just covered. Open your Retool app, create a new query, write your SQL, and run it to see the results.